Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having a great day. In today's video it's a bit different because it's not really about a car, it's about another type of motor vehicle. Um, Recently, bro and I have been in talks about getting a motorcycle or two. We were on Craigslist a few days back and he finds a deal on the dirt bike. So in this video he ended up buying it. So I'm going to be showing you guys the dirt bike, the pit bike or whatever it is, and it's just gonna be like a little mini series on the bike. Could be it could be like 4 or 5 videos, it could be 10 on the things that he's going to be doing to it and the repairs that he's going to be doing to the bike and all that. So I guess I'll show you guys the bike right now. So he purchased a 2005 Hansen 110cc pit bike. Has a couple of things that need to be repaired on it, but for the majority of the part it does run and drive. The brakes work and everything, so there's that. It's good. There was a problem with the idle, which when we came home we adjusted this screw over here to adjust the idle so it didn't bog down, and after adjusting it a bit, I think we have it where it won't die on us when we start up and have it idle for a little bit, so that works. Yeah, as you guys can see, it has seen some wear and tear. It has been abused, but we got it for a good deal. We got for about $600, so so it was all fair. And funny enough, we didn't even need to use the F-150 for this. We were able to use our SUV and just to put in the back, so that was pretty great. A few things that need to be addressed are, well, the paneling, some of them are missing and cracked, so he says he's going to be replacing that. I need to realign the wheel. You guys can see from the wheel's not aligned well. It seems like it got into a small crash before, and that's why it's all damaged, all that. So first thing we need to do is realign the wheel, give it a little maintenance, clean it up, clean the chain, replace the air filter. The idling is still a bit rough. It does work now, but it's a bit rough, so we may have to clean the jets. That's going to be a good experience as well. And yeah, the paneling is a bit cracked. We're missing a bit on the back, so we're going to be replacing that. And it's just going to be a quick little repair build series, and then just mess around with this for these. And he's just going to mess around with it during the summertime. And we're just going to be posting, and we're just going to be recording and uploading videos on the bike whenever we do anything to it. Yeah, that's pretty much for the bike. Can't really tell much else on it. This is the first time we've ever purchased a dirt bike or the pit bike, so we don't really know much. It's going to be a great learning experience for down the road when we do purchase the bigger bikes. So yeah, this is a 2005 Hansen LX 110, I believe it is. It's a 110cc pit bike. It fits well for my little bro, but for me, I'm a little on the bigger side, so I don't really look that great on it, but it does run and drive. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a walk around of the bike. We got it for a hell of a deal. I think I said about $500-600. It came with a full tank of gas, although the gas that does seem old. The brakes work, everything works. Just needs a little bit of TLC and to replace some of the panels on it, and it should be good to go. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching, and if you guys did enjoy it, if you want to follow along with this mini series or with any of the other builds that we have going on, we are working on the F-150, the E46 and the E90, and I am currently saving up to purchase another vehicle as well. I think I said in this vlog it's going to be a bike, so I'm also planning on purchasing my first motorcycle. Yeah, so if you guys do want to follow along, consider hitting the like button down below and subscribing as well, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.